Looking for the best running watches in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best running watches, ranked from number 5 to number 1, covering everything from GPS accuracy and training features to battery life and comfort. Our number 1 pick stands out as the best overall, and you won't want to miss it. Check the description for links to all the models mentioned. Let's get started. At number 5, SUUNTO Race GPS Sports Watch is a high-performance timepiece designed for endurance athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. It features a 1.43-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a sapphire lens, ensuring durability and clarity even in bright conditions. The watch offers dual-band GNSS support, connecting to 5 satellite systems: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, Beidou, for precise location tracking. With 16 GB of global offline maps, users can navigate routes, points of interest, and breadcrumb trails without a network connection. The SUUNTO Race boasts an impressive 26-day standby battery life, 12 days of daily use with heart rate monitoring, and up to 40 hours in performance mode with maximum accuracy. The AI coach provides personalized training insights, analyzing hundreds of workout parameters to offer suggestions for improvement. Additionally, the watch supports over 95 sports modes, catering to a wide range of activities. Its robust build, combined with advanced features, makes the SUUNTO Race an ideal companion for those seeking to optimize their training and performance. At number 4, Polar Vantage V3 is a premium multi-sport watch designed for athletes seeking advanced performance insights. It features a 1.39-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels, ensuring clear visibility in various lighting conditions. The watch boasts dual-frequency GPS for precise location tracking, even in challenging environments. With offline maps, users can navigate routes without relying on a smartphone. The Elixir sensor array enables monitoring of heart rate, blood oxygen levels, skin temperature, and ECG readings. The Vantage V3 offers an impressive battery life of up to 61 hours in training mode and up to 8 days in standard mode. It supports over 150 sports profiles, catering to a wide range of activities. Additional features include sleep tracking, recovery insights, and training recommendations. The watch is water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming. With its combination of advanced features and durability, the Polar Vantage V3 is an excellent choice for dedicated athletes. At number 3, COROS Pace 3 GPS Sport Watch is a lightweight, feature-rich device tailored for runners and multi-sport athletes. Weighing just 30 g with a nylon band, it ensures all-day comfort. The watch boasts an impressive battery life of up to 17 days in daily use and 38 hours in standard GPS mode, minimizing charging interruptions. Equipped with dual-frequency GPS, it delivers accurate tracking even in challenging environments. The optical heart rate monitor provides real-time data, aiding in effective training. With turn-by-turn navigation, athletes can confidently explore new routes. The Pace 3 supports over 150 sport modes, including running, cycling, and swimming, catering to diverse training needs. Additional features, like sleep tracking and training plan integration, offer comprehensive health insights. Its intuitive interface and compatibility with third-party apps make it a versatile companion for athletes aiming to optimize performance. At number 2, Apple Watch Ultra 2 GPS Cellular 49mm is Apple's most rugged and feature-rich smartwatch, designed for endurance athletes and outdoor adventurers. Encased in a 49mm aerospace-grade titanium case, it offers exceptional durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. The 1.92-inch Retina LTPO OLED display delivers up to 3,000 nits of brightness, ensuring readability in the brightest conditions. Equipped with dual-frequency GPS, L1, L5, the Ultra 2 provides precise location tracking, even in challenging environments. Its 100-meter water resistance and MILSTD 810H certification make it suitable for extreme activities. The customizable action button allows for quick access to essential functions. The watch offers an impressive 36-hour battery life in regular use, expandable to 72 hours in low-power mode. Health features include ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, and sleep tracking, providing comprehensive wellness insights. With 64 GB of storage, it accommodates apps, music, and maps for offline use. At number 1, Garmin Forerunner 965 is a premium running smartwatch designed for athletes seeking advanced performance insights. It features a 1.4-inch AMOLED touchscreen display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels, ensuring vibrant visuals and easy readability in various lighting conditions. The watch boasts an impressive battery life of up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and 31 hours in GPS mode, minimizing the need for frequent charging. Equipped with multi-band GPS, the Forerunner 965 provides accurate location tracking, even in challenging environments. Advanced training metrics such as training readiness score, personalized daily suggested workouts, and race strategy planning help optimize performance and recovery. The watch also supports various sports profiles, including triathlons and swim runs, catering to diverse athletic needs. Constructed with a lightweight titanium bezel, the Forerunner 965 combines durability with comfort, making it suitable for extended wear during intense training sessions. Its comprehensive health and fitness tracking features, coupled with robust build quality, make it an excellent choice for athletes aiming to elevate their performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Check the description for links to all the products. See you in the next video.